Music. Welcome to my Avetria network review. Find links to their plans and services in the description below. In this video, we'll explore Avetria's key features, who they're best for, and if they live up to the hype. Avetria Network is a niche internet provider specializing in high-speed fiber optic internet for homes and businesses. They cater to users who need fast, reliable connectivity without the premium price tag. Competitive pricing, flexible plans, and personalized customer service make them attractive for individuals and small businesses. Avetria's fiber optic technology delivers low latency and blazing fast speeds, perfect for streaming, gaming, and working from home. Plans range from basic to high speed, accommodating everything from casual browsing to multiple devices and heavy usage. Most plans include unlimited data, so no worries about data caps or overage charges. Avetria excels in underserved regions, tailoring solutions for rural areas and meeting specific community needs. This makes them a great choice for anyone struggling with slow or unreliable connections from larger providers. Avetria shines with its locally based customer support, known for its responsiveness and quick issue resolution. Contract-free options provide the flexibility to switch plans or cancel without penalties, a major advantage. Overall, Avetria Network is excellent for anyone seeking fast, reliable, and affordable internet, especially in areas with limited options. If a tailored approach and strong community focus are important, Avetria is worth checking out. See the description for more details, and thanks for watching.